Do you find yourself suffering from overly tight hip flexors after you sit for periods of time? Maybe not even that long a period of time, and you get up and you think, oh goodness, I can't extend my legs and it kind of hurts to walk. Well, if that happens, I want you to check how you are sitting in your chair, because there is a thing of trying to have posture that's too good that comes back to bite you. So I'll often see people that are struggling with hip flexor tightness, and I'll ask them to show me how they sit at their desk at work, and they're like, oh, I sit like this always. Very good, great posture, making sure I sit upright, really tall. I'll often sit right at the edge of my chair, and I'm like, okay, well, that's great for short periods of time, but as you try to sit really upright, you use your hip flexors to pull you forward to sit upright. So I will actually have them scoot to the back of the chair, but then relax. And if their hip flexors are really tight and they're struggling to let go, I may actually have them slouch a little bit, put a little bit of low back support here so they're not really rounding and slouching into the chair per se, but a little bit more of a casual, relaxed feel going on at those hip flexors so they're not holding everything so stiff and tight. All right, so good posture, or what we think of as good posture, might not actually be good for your body. So if you find yourself with those tight hip flexors, give that a try and see if you can relax back a little bit more and let those hip flexors let go.